tonight I'm going to be doing a few pulls with Phearables Stage 3. I'll be doing some highway pulls. I'm just going to get to a good destination to do a few pulls for you guys, just so you can see how good the car is running. So far, everything's been good with this tune. I'm very happy and impressed with what it's able to do with just basically a downpipe and just a flash. It's pretty nice. So let me get to a good destination, and I'll show you guys some good night pulls. Do this pull showing you the Ktuner view app. This car's pulling really, really nice. I'm just leaving a regular drive mode. AC's actually still on, but that's okay. It's not going to make much difference. I'll let it do another kick down. Really is such a smooth tune. The car just pulls nice, smooth as can be. I'm going to do a 30 roll in third gear. Pulling really nice. After quite a few pulls, you look, the knock count still very, very low. The car is loving the tune, so that's very important, that knock stays low. That way you keep all the power and you don't start losing power. I'm going to do one more pull. Try to get the speed down a little bit. So that's pretty much it for the video tonight, guys. I just wanted to show you how good the tune's running. I couldn't be happier with it. Phearables Stage 3 is definitely a worthwhile upgrade to the Ktuner. I highly recommend it. I wish I had done it sooner, but you know what? Better now than never, and I'm enjoying it a lot. So at least for the summer, I'll have something new to play with, and the car just runs great. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.